This is another one of our teaching cases. I'm trying to write script to explain what's inside the case. And this case has examples of fossils. And the question we need to answer is, what is a fossil? Very simple. A fossil is a trace of life found in a sediment or a rock. And American geologists tend to draw a dividing line. It has to be 10,000 years approximate or older. Younger than 10,000 years, it's simply labeled as recent. So there are a number of ways fossils can occur. The most typical one, and what you see in Florida, is limestone, which is sediments glued together by the mineral calcite. Fossils also occur in igneous rock and metamorphic rock. Igneous rock? I thought that was molten stuff. Well, for example, on the Hawaiian island, Mauna Loa eruption, lava flowed around a tree trunk, and the tree trunk burned up, but there's a cast of the tree and that specimen of lava. So fossils can occur in igneous rock. They can also occur in metamorphic rock. In this case, it's just as rare. There's a sand formation that became sandstone, and the sandstone was altered by metamorphism into quartzite. But that original layer of sand on a sandy beach had an animal or a plant, we're not sure which, that created vertical holes. The holes eventually backfilled. The backfilled material of sand was slightly different size particles and stacking, which made it porous. And these are two examples of fossils in metamorphic rock. This is the trace of life that's been recorded. And in this case, the backfilled sand had a different porosity than the main sand. And this occurred in the Virginia mountains near a manganese mine. And the groundwater traveling through from the manganese stained the tubes. This is called the fossil scolites. It's found in that time zone at fossil beaches around the world, the same fossil. And as such, it's known as a guide fossil, because wherever we spot this, we know the approximate time it occurred at that same timeline, because that animal became extinct.